Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix geometry in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and after it opens up in the gallery, we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Then after the picture loads, we have to wait a little bit. We go into the bottom bar and find geometry if we scroll to the right. We tap on geometry, and here we actually have a lot of options that we can do, a lot of things. But the easiest way to fix the geometry is to use this tool, guided upright. We select a point and then another that we know is vertical, and then we do it again, and then it's going to fix the geometry. Now we can crop the image and set it to be automatically cropped, but this is basically how you do it. You can select a vertical and a horizontal line as well, and then it's going to fit the geometry to that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.